As you see, I need some windshield wiper fluid. The car needs to be serviced. It needs an oil change. It needs a lot of things. So I feel like today, since it's nice outside, I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out. So I want to get some rolling shots, and I'm gonna let my wife go ahead and take the keys. There you go. God damn. Yes, sir. No, what the? Now, what the hell is that?
What do you mean? Just hold in.
No, what the? Look at the front lip. Jeez, son.
It already looks like that.
No,
Yeah.
women, bro, I swear.
Well, how are you even supposed to pull in so that doesn't happen?
What?
How are you supposed to pull in so that doesn't happen?
I'm gonna show you the correct way to pull in.
Okay.
Jesus Christ.
What's that?
Luckily, we got a front lip that came in today. So let's open that up. Oh, look, $100 wine voucher. Yeah. I'm gonna try to steal this. Look at that. Whoa. This is ECS Tuning's high style front lip. And it sits a little bit higher from the ground. The one that I have right there, it sits a little bit lower. As you can see, simple comparison. This one got the little 1-inch lip, then it curves down. This one does not have that 1-inch lip. It just goes straight into this curve that you see right here. So I won't run into the same situation that I've been running into the last 5 times I broke this damn lip. Because this lip cost about $280, I think.
So it was you that broke the lip, not me.
No, you broke the lip. We watched it. All right, now that 20 minutes of my life has been wasted, let's go ahead and change the oil and top up all the fluids on the car.
Counterfeit. Might gotta let it go. DB your shit, I be touching your soul. Say you rockin', I'm rollin', what's holding you close? I ain't used to affection, I suffer the most. I be smoking and vibing to get to the coast. Can't lie, be good with you though. That's why I feel like I need to get ghosts. I ain't really trying to fall in love, this shit slow. How you be kissing a nigga and feeling a nigga? I really ain't used to it all. I be hitting these bitches and going my way. They want smoking the rap and want give me some face. You want be in my space and get me through the pain. But I been fell in love and that shit left a stain. Say you different, ain't simping, but she said the same. On my way to the top, almost through all the rain. I ain't looking for someone come play with my brain. I just need me some cash and a whole lot of lane. Let me falling in love, but you wasn't the plan. Now I'm dragging my nuts, you don't hear what I'm saying. Say you be here when a nigga was ready. Know I'm having a ball like Brandon Confetti. Just gotta stay focused, smart, steady. Know they see how I'm moving these bitches to get me. Might gotta let it go. DB your shit, I be touching your soul. Say you rockin', I'm rollin', what's holding you close? I ain't used to affection, I suffer the most. I be smoking and vibing to get to the coast. Can't lie, be good with you though. That's why I feel like I need to get ghosts. I ain't really trying to fall in love, this shit slow. Might gotta let it go. DB your shit, I be touching your soul. Say you rockin', I'm rollin', what's holding you close? I ain't used to affection, I suffer the most. I be smoking and vibing to get to the coast. Can't lie, be good with you though. That's why I feel like I need to get ghosts. I ain't really trying to fall in love, this shit slow.
Now this, now this Audi has around 450 to 500 horsepower, depending on what type of field that I put in it. It has every bolt on that you can think of. The only thing that I do not have is a ported supercharger. This is a wrap for you guys that's wondering. I don't know the name of the color, I forgot, but it needs to be repainted. I mean, rewrapped, as you see. I highly recommend running 0W30 oil in your Audi S4 if you're stage 2 and higher, simply because it burns oil. I don't know if you realize, but you burn oil so much faster when you use regular oil. I'm only running the oil that I'm using right now, the 5W30, simply because I didn't even realize that I grabbed the wrong oil. The Audi R8 oil actually runs better in these cars. I traveled from Washington to Kentucky, which was 3,000 miles, and then I drove around here for another 3 months. So I put another 4,000 miles on the car. I actually been driving. And as you see, you saw where the oil was at. So it actually does last a long time when you do it that way, unlike people that actually put the 5W30 in their Audis and it only lasts like a month or so. And yeah, that concludes my video. I might as well go ahead and do a rev for you guys. Let's do that. Can't be in the video, man. You can't be in the video. Did you like it?